Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining clear KPIs and confirming data availability. This ensures every widget has purpose. Connect one source first so you validate access and schema quickly. Once done, map each KPI to a visual type, number, line, bar, gauge, and sketch a simple layout. Make sure to note refresh cadence and permissions early. They determine technical choices. Begin wiring an example query for one KPI to confirm latency and correctness before building more panels. You now implement ingestion and lightweight transformations so visuals render reliably. Caching reduces load and improves responsiveness. Next, build reusable components that accept config for metrics, time ranges, and thresholds, which accelerates adding new panels. Once components render, connect controls like filters and date pickers and ensure state flows predictably. Make sure to test with varied data volumes and edge cases, because visual integrity depends on correct aggregation. You finish by optimizing queries and setting sensible refresh intervals so the dashboard stays current without overloading sources. Then, refine UX, clear labels, tooltips, accessible colors, and responsive breakpoints so users interpret data quickly. Once deployed, add alerts for threshold breaches and document known limitations. If things go wrong, reproduce the issue with the same inputs, check logs for transformation errors, and replay the exact query. This reveals mismatches, stale caches, or schema changes that commonly break dashboards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.